Shut up and sit down.
Hi, I'm Peter McTavish and welcome back to another D.C.G tutorial. In this one we are doing 2018 question A4, another short question. So as always, quickly read through it and then we'll move on. The graphic shows a spider cam used for aerial coverage of sports events. It is supported by 4 cables. The drawing shows the projections of the cables. So A, find the dihedral angle between the planes OAB and OAD, and then part B, determine the angle between the cables OA and OB. So it's funny to see another coordinate geometry kind of dihedral angle question similar to skew lines on the same year. But it's great because these are nice questions. So first thing we need to do is determine where the line section is. So OAB and OAD. So OA is clearly our line of intersection between the two planes, and as you can see it's not parallel to the x-y line on any of the views. So the first view we have to do will have to be perpendicular to it to find the true length, and then we'll go parallel to it to get our dihedral angle. So first thing we'll do is, let's see, this is OA, so if I go perpendicular to it, there's a lot of room here, and they got to design the questions around that to make sure you have room for it. So project OA and your points D and B perpendicular to OA out here to the left hand side. So this will be an auxiliary elevation. So then you get your height from the elevation and draw on your first auxiliary view. Now that's the auxiliary elevation done of our plane OAB and OAD. Now I haven't joined them, I'm leaving them as the wires because there's construction lines there going with the question. So I'm not going to draw on the planes. I might shade them in at the end though. Now, because we projected perpendicular to OA for this view, OA in the plan is parallel to the x1, y1. And if it's parallel in this view, the next projected view here, it has to be a true length. So OA now is a true length. So if we project parallel to OA now, do a second auxiliary view, get our distances from the x1, y1 back, we should get an edge view of the two planes, i.e. point view of OA, giving us our dihedral angle. And that is part A done. So we found our dihedral angle between the two planes. So you get a point view of the line intersection, which is OA in this view. Once that's point view, you get an edge view of the other two planes. Therefore, you can determine the true angle between them. Now, next part, it says B, determine the angle between the cables OA and OB. OA and OB, this angle here. Okay, in order to find the true angle between these two cables, we need to find one as a true length. So we need to see them as basically flat. So what we could do is OA seems to be parallel to the XY line here in the plan, and I've been checking with the t-square it is. So you could work off that. But I'm going to work off our last auxiliary view here because we have not only OA as a point view, but if we find a true length of B, do a second another auxiliary view and get a true length of OB, we'll have a true length of OA as well, and we'll be able to find our true angle. So in order to find OB as a true length here, I need to project down perpendicular to OB down to bottom left. Okay, so by doing an auxiliary view perpendicular to the line OB, in this auxiliary view, the OB line has to be a true length. And because OA was a point view, this line OA here is going to be flat as well, giving you two true lengths and giving you your angle. Now it says determine the angle, it doesn't say find. So I've written in the angle 2 just to be on the safe side, because it will be marked if it's not indicated. So that's the question finished. As always, I hope this helped. If it did, leave a like, and good luck in your exams, and we'll see you in the next one.